Welcome to Lego Academy. Now in this video we're going to handle a question on how to get the readings on the micrometer screw gauge. So here the question says, the diagram below shows part of the micrometer screw gauge. What is the reading shown in the diagram? So this is the micrometer screw gauge, and this part here, this is the sleeve, and on the sleeve that's where we find the main scale. This part here, this is the thimble. So here that's where we get the circular scale. Now to get the reading on this instrument, we are going to start with the main scale reading. So the main scale reading, to get the main scale reading on the sleeve, we get the last visible mark just before the edge. So here the last visible mark, it is here. And if we check between 0 and 5, the lines that are in between, so we have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, making 5. Meaning, this line here, this is making 6. So the lines down here, these, they represent a half. So if this is 1, meaning this is 1.5, this is 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, and 5. So if we say this is 6, meaning this one here, it will be 6.5. So the reading on the main scale reading, that is 6.5. And if we check the units, it is in millimeter. So this is the reading on the main scale reading. Now if we check on the rotating scale, which is the circular scale, so for this one, the circular scale reading, so to get the reading on the circular scale, you look for the horizontal line on the sleeve here, which is in line with the circular scale. So if we check the lines, this is the line that is in line with the horizontal line on the main scale reading. So for this one, if this is the 15, this is 16, 17, 18, 19. So the circular scale here, this is 19. So this 19 on the circular scale, we are going to multiply it by 0.01. Why? Because each division on the circular scale is equal to 0.01 millimeter. So 19 multiplied by 0.01, 0.19 millimeter. So after getting the reading on the circular scale, to get the final reading, we are going to sum the scales. So the main scale, that is 6.5 millimeter, plus the reading on the circular scale, that is 0.19. So if we sum the two numbers, we are going to get 6.69 millimeter. So this is the final answer. This is how we handle questions under micrometer screw gauge. So if we check on the multiple choice here, which was given, we have A 6.69 millimeter, B 6.86, C 6.68, D 5.68. So here the answer, that was A, 6.69.